What began as a local interdiction expanded into a hemisphere-wide mission, drawing cutters, aircraft, and partner navies into a continuous surge that stretched from the Equator to the Mexican coast. Command centers in Alameda and Key West worked hand in hand, feeding intelligence loops that refreshed by the hour. Each new radar hit or human source tip could redirect a patrol group hundreds of miles overnight. Within weeks, the ocean south of Panama became a web of moving sentinels. Yet even under that pressure, traffickers adapted fast. Spotter planes shadowed U.S. cutters from high altitude, radioing warnings to convoys below. Some crews disguised hulls with fake fishing licenses, while others towed decoy skiffs filled with scrap metal to confuse infrared sensors. Routes bent west into deeper water, forcing Coast Guard aircraft to stretch their fuel limits. Every adjustment the cartels made exposed a new weak point for analysts to exploit. And as those data streams grew richer, the coordination between ships became the defining strength of Pacific Viper. Cutter Hamilton linked with Vigilant and Diligence, forming a rotating watch line along the corridor. Each vessel carried specialized law enforcement detachments, boarding teams, and flight crews trained for simultaneous chases. Navy support came through USS Cole, whose radar coverage and resupply capability turned the isolated cutters into a networked patrol group. The Dutch ship HNLMS Friesland added another layer, patrolling the mid-Pacific lanes where smugglers once refueled unobserved. Communication flowed across encrypted maritime channels, allowing operators thousands of miles apart to act as one grid. Keeping the surge alive required a logistical lift of its own. Fuel tankers shuttled between ports in Central and South America. Air stations repositioned maritime patrol aircraft to match predicted cartel shifts. When cutters completed seizures, evidence offloads were synchronized, so no vessel stayed out of rotation for long. The tempo rarely slowed. New task units deployed before the previous ones returned. In barely 6 weeks, the combined forces carried out more than 20 interdictions, captured 59 suspects, and seized over 75,000 pounds of cocaine.